Hi guys, today I'll be talking about this Acura TL. I'll show you fuse box location if you have similar one. So first thing first, to get to the Obd port, it's located right under the steering wheel. It'll be right under this side. If you look down, right in here, that's your Obd port. If you need to plug in your computer for this car or DQ. So to get to the first fuse box location, it's gonna be under the steering wheel on a driver's side. Also, it's located right here. This panel, you just pull it and it comes out, and that's the location, which one's which. So yeah, and then the fuses are right in here. To close it, you just line it up. So to get to the second one, you're gonna have to open the hood, and to open the hood, the latch is right here. You just pull on it, and that opens your hood. And the second fuse box location right underneath here. You have two knobs here and two knobs here. Mine are broken right here. So just press on all four of them, and that comes off. And that's the location of which one's which. And there's your fuses. To close it, just line it up. Make sure all four of them click, and that's closed. Also, you have some kind of relay right here. To open it, just press on it. And that thing comes off. And comment below if you know what they are for. So pretty much when you open it, you just press on this one right here and take this one off. To put it back, take this one, line it up, make sure it clicks. There you go. So that's all I found for this car. If you know if there's more, comment below, and I'll see you on the next one.